fellow Instagram friends and possibly YouTube friends as well. I'm still debating whether I'll post to both. Today I'm doing something different. I'm having you join me as I swatch these two new colors that I am now unboxing from Shameless Nails. And they included these two swatch sticks, which I was really happy about because I was running low on mine, and it made it very easy for me. So I bought these two colors from this new to me company because of this color Thrive. And this color was actually created in collaboration with Marla Chris, who is one of my favorite dip nail YouTubers. And as you can see, it's just a gorgeous teal color. Teal is the PTSD awareness color, and this beautiful dip color was created in honor of PTSD Awareness Month. So 15% of the purchase price benefits the PTSD Foundation, which is definitely a cause that is close to my heart, close to my family's heart. And I knew as soon as it launched that I had to purchase it. So here I am swatching with my swatch routine. I typically swatch on the underside of my swatch stick so that I don't have to use any of my step 3 glossy coat, and I don't have to buff. So it's just easier and saves time for me. Isn't it beautiful? I love the silver flakes that it has and the shimmer. And it's also a thermal dip, so I don't know if you can see, it's kind of wanting to change color here. This is its cold state, is the dark teal, and then when it's hot, I'll show at the end, it changes, which is really cool. So I got into dip nails in October 2020, just wanting to learn a new skill during quarantine and wanting to pamper myself a little bit. And in doing so, I've really appreciated the nail community, the dip nail community specifically, which I didn't know existed, but it's just, okay, hold on, pause for a second. I love this color. I love pinks, different shades of pink, but I'm kind of picky on what pink goes with my skin tone. But this one, as you'll see, has a beautiful shimmer to it, and I'm just so excited. I feel like both of these will pair very nicely. I can't wait to get them on my nails. So anyway, back to the dip nail community. I feel like if you have kind of a skill that you're honing or a hobby that you have, it's so nice to connect with other people on kind of the basis of that hobby. So you can have different interests, different personalities, different beliefs, different all kinds of different like walks of life. But if you have a hobby that you connect with other people, it's kind of fun. And I've been noticing this with the dip nail community. There are different groups that I've been part of, and in all of them, people are just really supportive and lifting each other up and talking everyone's shared love of, in this case, nails. So it's something that I've discovered, and I'm really glad that I did. So I just bought this little brush color remover off of Amazon, and it makes a big difference when I'm cleaning my brushes. Actually, I wasn't cleaning my brushes before because I didn't know what to do with the dip acrylic powder that would just get stuck to them, so I'd just buy a bunch of different really cheap ones. But this way, I can reuse them without worrying about contaminating like the little silver flakes or glitters or things like that. So this is the thermal dip, the color Thrive, and I ran it under hot water and it turned this beautiful light color, which I read on the Shameless Nails site. It is supposed to symbolize the light at the end of the tunnel. So these are my two brand new colors, and I'm just loving them. I can't wait till my nails grow out a little more and so I can try them on. Hey again, guys. I'm back. I just wanted to update you with my completed mani. I'm really enjoying this color combination. It just makes me smile every time I look down at my nails. Thank you so much for joining me today and enjoying these colors with me. I look forward to chatting with you again soon. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.